Hello, I'm Gino Matthew. I did my hair transplant at Hair Upload in December 2020. I did my hair transplant with Dr.Erkam Caymaz. It was an outstanding experience the moment I arrived in Turkey, starting from the airport shuttle and going to the hotel and doing the surgery on the next day to the time when I returned back to Europe. As you can see from my pictures, I had forehead baldness and I was having thinning in the mid region as well. So these are very evident from the pictures. So I had roughly 4,500 follicles transplanted by Dr.Erkam Caymaz. The surgery is a one-day long procedure, and we are given clear guidance as to what needs to be done, the few days before the surgery, and also how we can do the aftercare following the surgical procedure. So after the surgery, the hair started to grow back. Now I have completed 7 months after the surgery, and as you can see, the hair has grown back, and this is roughly 50% of the expected growth. The complete growth can be seen only after 18 months. We are roughly in the halfway stage, and the hair has grown tremendously, and I have regained the lost hairline which I had when I was 20 years ago. Very astonishing to see how things can change. My look has changed drastically in a very positive way. My friends say that I look almost 10 years younger, so I'm very happy with the results so far. And still there is a long way to go because the hair keeps on growing back. I would highly recommend Dr.Erkam Caymaz and his team, and if you're planning to do hair transplant, then Hair Upload is the best.